That was a good meal.
That was good. I wonder how many of those cups get thrown away every day.
Yeah, I don't really know, but it's probably not that big of a deal, right?
Yeah, no, I guess it's probably not that big of a deal. It seems really wasteful,
Yeah, I guess it is sort of wasteful, but I mean, like with COVID, using those cups are probably the best way to stop spreading germs around.
I know, and that's super important. I just wish it didn't create so much trash, I mean, after all, these cups can't even be recycled.
Really? Why not? I thought paper and plastic were recyclable.
They are in theory, but unfortunately, it's not always that simple. The cups are made from materials that can get really easily smushed down in recycling plants, so that makes it really hard for the machines to sort them. And even beyond that, they're often contaminated with whatever liquid is in there, which means they're not pure enough to be recycled. So more often than not, they unfortunately just end up in landfills.
Oh, wow. I had no idea. Well, if these cups aren't recyclable, do you have any alternatives?
Personally, I always try to bring a reusable water bottle around with me.
Okay, but I feel like a good water bottle is kind of expensive. Is it really worth it for me?
I certainly think so, because a reusable water bottle has way more benefits than just being sustainable. It can even actually save you money over time, because you can just refill it every time you need a drink instead of buying another disposable water bottle. So yeah, it is kind of expensive up front, but in the end it'll save you money.
Huh. I hadn't thought about it like that. What else?
Well, reusable water bottles are also way more convenient than disposable water bottles or cups, because especially on a campus like Villanova, you can refill these in virtually every building on campus. In fact, I could use a refill right now. Let's go.
All right. Wow, that's really convenient and definitely a lot easier than me having to carry around disposable water bottles and cups wherever I go.
Exactly. And especially right now when there are so many single-use plastics being used to be safer, buying a reusable water bottle is honestly one of the best things you can do. Because not only is it really environmentally friendly and more convenient for you, but it's also just as safe as using a cup, because you're the only one who's going to be using this.
Wow, you've convinced me. I'm going to go to the bookstore and purchase a reusable water bottle right now.